Ngiyanibingelela nonke emagumbini amane omhlaba. Ngiyalidumelisa babohle. I'm greeting you all in the name of God, the God, the Creator, God that chose me. Okay, mina ngazalwa ngaphiwa isipho samanzi. I'm not gonna elaborate ukuthi emanzini kunje, emanzini ubona ini. Angaze ngibone lutho. But amanzi to me represents eternal life. Amanzi to me represents powers. Represents amandla angapheli. It represents powerful powers, if ever there's a word like that. That is why ubona you can stay without carbohydrates for 7 days. You will get hungry, yes, fair and fine. But stay without using water. Whether you're using water to bath, whether you're using water to drink, whether you're using water to whatever you want to do, stay without using water. And tell me if the power is within the carbohydrates that you eat or the power is within the water that you're going to be drinking. Right. Ngizelwe mina nobizo lwamanzi lwangihlupha ngaze ngalwamkela. It wasn't a decision for me. Bengime kahle, bengi right. Umuntu obelamba ngithi uyabonakala. Okay. Right. This is for all the gifted people. Kuthiwa nginitshela ukuthi the gift is not yours. Why mkhulu langabi isn't the gift ours? Ngoba phela yithi esiphatha idombolo. The gift is not yours, especially the gift of water. If you're a water baby, if you've ever dreaming of water, if you ever given, you are given powers, and those powers, those powers akusizo zasemhlabeni. The gift of water is not for earthly powers. The gift of water is not for earthly gains. That is why it's not ours. It's a very, very, very powerful gift of healing, and it's of healing the nation. It doesn't choose. It doesn't choose, Hori. You are my tribe. You are Xhosa, Zulu, Sotho, Tswana, Nyanja, Wemba, Igbo. It does not choose. Because why? You are given this gift to heal the world, to heal the society, to heal everyone. That is why it's not yours. That is why if you've got this gift, awelapheki. That is why if you've got this gift, you travel everywhere. You change churches, you change jobs, you change careers, you get hated. You get people that argues with you. But guess what? You are the winner because you're always right. It might take longer, but you are always right. Okay, let me tell you the reasons why I'm saying this gift is not yours. Everyone you meet, if you are born with a gift of water, it depends on the levels. Kuya ngama levels. Kuno level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, 5, 6, 7. Ngoba sihamba neingilosi eziningabi. Sihamba neingilosi ezenza noma yini. The angels that we get given can perform anything that you can perform in whatever. They do everything because they heal everything. Balawula emhlabeni. Ingilosi ezisiphethe ziyalawula emhlabeni. That is why siphethe abafundisi bamabandla siphethe abazalwane, siphethe wonke umuntu. Noma ungathini. Siphethe emhlabeni, siphethe emazulwini ngoba siyakwazi ukunisa izulu. Siyakwazi futhi nokulivala. Right. That is why the gift is not yours, because in the olden days people will come and say, "Hey mkhulu langabi siyakucela. Imvula ayikho sifuna ukulima. Ingane zilambile. Sukuma uyokhuphuka uye entabeni. Uyosicelela izulu kuNkulunkulu. Siyothi masisehla lapho ke imvula izobinetha. That's how deep this gift is. But like I said, it depends on the levels. It depends on the level that you are in. Right? 1, whoever you meet in your life is going to be your patient. It's going to be your assignment. If you've got a water gift, like I said, you've got a God-given gift. This gift is from God. Ongayazi agazi. Ngicela ungakhesi ungagxeki into ongayazi, because abanye abantu abaveli bathuke kanje. Amen. Umuntu awuvela umthatha umhlafuhlafune ngendlela ofuna ngayo, ucommente ngendlela ofuna ngayo epageni lakhe, because my page is for teaching people that are in the dark, people abahlushwa yilo moya lona wamanzi. If you're not my tribe, you're not my tribe. Ungavela ubhale nje into esutha ikhanda lakho at that particular time, kukhona okuzokwehlela. Ngithe mina, if you've got this gift, you've got all powers. You know how to make, you know how to break. Uyakwazi ukulalisa, uyakwazi ukuvusa. Owaziyo uyaza, ngeke angibuse leyo nto leyo. Because I'm here to teach. I'm not here to divulge what I don't know. The reason why I'm here to teach. Yes, ngiyafuna ningazi. Ngiyafuna nize esigodlweni ngizonilapha because I'm called for that. That I will put a disclaimer. Yes. Yes. You need to know me, because this gift of water ibulalisa abantu, because iyabulalisa. Yes. You can lose everything. You can lose everything because it doesn't care about your material gains. It doesn't care about your material gains. This gift is given, is enforced to you so that you care for other people that needs your care. Whether you want it or not, you're going to care for them, because we heal until we heal our enemies. If you've got this gift, you're still going to heal your enemies. You're still going to heal people that used to undermine you when you were young. You're still going to heal the people that used to do witchcraft against you when you were young, or still today. You're still going to heal them. Because why? Inje noNkulunkulu and iphuma kuNkulunkulu. Wena uthi nje bathethelele inkosi abakwazi abakwenzayo. Mawuna lesi sipho lesi. Yabona ngikhulumela lesi sami. I'm talking to those that resonates with me. I'm talking to my tribe here, because our gifts are not the same, right? Whoever you meet, if you've got this gift, is going to be your assignment. You are going to heal that person, because you're going to attract broken people. KwaZulu Limpopo province. You're going to meet broken people. You're going to meet broken people. Be it colleagues. Before you start healing, before you even start the spiritual awakening journey, you are going to attract the broken people. Whether it's your colleagues, whether it's your husband, whether it's your wife, whether it's your kids, worse, parents. Because you are born older. You are born older than anybody. Yo. Unzima umhlahlo wezwe. Hey, kumele sigqoke esiphelele namhlanje kuyashisa, kodwa hey besishaya umhlahlo wezwe. Because isazi yonke into ingakenzeki thina. Whether it's America, whether it's here. So hey kuyashisanyana ngixolelana. Kodwa kumele ngibe nje namhlanje. Right. You are going to attract all the broken people. That is why you will meet a person. Before niba ngama friends, you start by having arguments. You start by having friction. And eventually that person becomes your best friend. Or eventually that person becomes. Niba close nje. Whether it's the working situation, whether it's your future husband, mayiqala ukukushela. Hey, kuqale kube khona ubuhixihixi nawo ngekubuzwisise. That is why in future nzobe nihleka ukuthi hey ndoda ukahlehle, why were you playing hard to get? Those are the things you must notice. Ukuthi this gift is not yours. That is why if ungakaqali ukusebenza. You will get people that will come to you and ask you for help. You will get people that will come to ask you for money. Yes, how unfair. Leso skhathi leso wena, if you don't have that money, you can't borrow from them, but they can borrow from you. Wow, how unfair. Your future in-laws or in-laws are going to be your assignment. And they will hate you, but they are your assignment. Nawe kwasawena udlula eyintweni ezibhlungu, udlule eyintweni eziningi, udlule eyintweni ezibhlungu. Why? uNkulunkulu uyakuvivinya. You are being vivinyed. You are being prepared. You are being prepared to be a leader, because spirit esingiphethe mina akusilesi. You will lead the people. If you can't make a decision to lead the people, you're going to be forced to lead them. Ask me, I was. Okay? Nitemina, you're going to attract broken people. Your husband or your future husband or your boyfriend or your partner or your spouse or whatever you decide to call umuntu wako, whether it's same sex or different sexes, he or she's going to be a broken person. You are going to start scratch helping that person. You're going to heal that person's shadow work. You are going to heal that person's darkest things, because he's your assignment. Some of them will stay with you. Some of them will come for a healing and go, especially when it comes to relationships. You will be brought in that family to heal and leave. Don't keep the person long where you feel good. No. Asiseko isting. They will leave, or you will leave them, because your assignment will be done. Uzobe usubaphilisile labo bantu labo. There is nothing permanent. Right? You're going to meet broken people, broken families. And you are the one that is going to heal your broken parents, because you are born older. How unfair. Yes. You're going to do that. You're going to heal those broken family members that when you grew up, they were treating you like a vaslap. But you have to heal them. You have to heal them. You have to heal them. That was your journey. You don't become a leader from just eating with fork and knife. You need to feel how hot the food is. Right? You need to feel. You need to go through the West to become the most. You go through the West to become the most. Because that time your kingship or your queenship or your whatever ship is being prepared for you. That time you are being strengthened. That time you are being shown the problems of the people that you're going to heal, so that you resonate. Ngoba makufika umuntu ethi emkhulu ngiyagula, ngizothatha kancane, because I do not know the sense of agency. Umuntu mayethi ngiphethwe isisu, umuntu athi ngilele ngingadlanga amabhizinesi wami wonke aphelile, I was a hero, now I'm a zero. You need to relate. Why? Because you're going to go through all those stages. Wena as umntwana weSipho lesenginaso mina esibusa emhlabeni siphinde sibuse emazulwini. Awuzibheki into zomhlaba wena. You are not an earthly being. Therefore, you do not entertain earthly things. Right? You do not entertain earthly things. Because the spirit is from God. Abanye banokuthi emkhulu emanzini kunabotikoloshi emanzini. When you go to the water, you know which God you save. And you know ukuthi uyovusani, or you know ukuthi uyogeza ini. Thina sivusa okuhle. By me saying that, I don't need your credit. And I don't need your judgment or whatever. I'm teaching the people that are going through the West because of this gift. Because ngiyayazi ukuthi njani. My dear, ngiyayazi ukuthi njani. ask me, I will tell you. You will have lots of argument. And yes, they will argue with you. They will argue with you. Why? Because fanele bakuzwa amandla bakuthi tshwantse ba utsikinye hanyana ba u fry ube speed price sabo. But at the end of the day, whether they say they agreed with you in that argument, whether they disagreed with you, you are going to win. Eyakho yona ezowina. Eyakho yona ezowina. Your advice will always win. You might not win the argument during that heated moment, but you are going to win. What you were trying to bring across to them, they can see it in future. Whether it takes 10 years or 20 years, they will see. Bazokhumbula ukuthi lo yamntwana loyana, or in case you are a woman, usemadodeni wabatshela ukuthi ay. Then they will say, you are a woman, wena kukhuluma thina madoda. Omosadi wena tlogela go bue runa ditaba tse. You are still going to win those men. Trust me and believe me. You are going to see that. If you resonate with me, you're going to resonate with me. If you don't, please, out. Because I'm not here to argue. The spirit is a problem. Because when you've got it, uphetha amazulu kanje esandleni. Usoreli godimo ka matsogo. So I am teaching people that are problematically affected by the gift and they know nothing about it. So ngicela ukuthi uzibheke lezo impawu lezo empilweni yakho. Ama arguments uzowawina. But angeke abonakale that time during the heat. Azobonakala in future. Then when they come back to you and say, Mkhulu, you were telling the truth. Hey, I didn't want to say it last time. This time I've seen it. Basis. Why Mkhulu is unfair? Do you know what they did to me? Because the gift is not yours. Mwanamujim. The gift is not yours. You need to help them because the gift is not yours. It's in your body, but it's not yours. Sir, know that and know that very well. Okay. The other thing, most of the people are breadwinners. A breadwinner is not a firstborn, is not a lastborn, is not a thirdborn. It's not a thirdborn. A breadwinner is someone that is given huge responsibility without their shoulders. Kuthiwe nje see to finish. A breadwinner is someone that learns, that writes the exams before studying. A breadwinner is someone that gets experience before working, before living. You are 6 months, you are crawling, but you are expected to walk and run. That's a breadwinner for you. You can be a breadwinner financially. You can be a breadwinner nge presence yakho, because Tina, we heal with our presence. Sihila nge presence wethu. Ukuba khona kwami in your life. Ukuba khona kwami in your house. You heal. You heal. Because why? We are hoovers. We pull all the spirits, bad ones and good ones. Why bad ones? Because we've got the power to crush it out of me. But you don't have the power to crush it out of yourself. Because spirits are alive. Spirits works. Right? We are breadwinners. Hi, Mkhulu, how can I be a breadwinner? I'm this uncle that everybody undermines. Hey, those uncles are needed somewhere. Whether he's working, whether he's not working, whether he's just drinking alcohol, wait until kunegotiatwa ilobola yakho. That uncle is the one that is going to negotiate better than all the people. That uncle is going to tell you the truth about the family background, about the family secrets. But Maela, sober, when he gets sober, mawuthi hey phela malume, awumphinde ngalesa story. Uzothi yey mshana. Ungangisukeli. Niyabazi labo malume lapho, baza amaqiniso. They can be breadwinners, they could be breadwinners that neglected their gift. Or they could be breadwinners with stolen destiny. I once spoke about stolen destiny. You must refer back to my videos. Ngoba ungangibuzi into esengiyifundisile. The other thing ngale spirit esisiphethe thina. Sinothando, sine wisdom, love, wisdom, teaching, giver. We are the givers. We are the givers. We give until our last cent. But do not mess with us. Do not mess with us. Okay? Ngoba khona kuzokwehlela. It's not an empty threat. So ungangibuzi is something that I've already taught you. Bese inbox. And my inbox is only for bookings. This is only for teaching. Okay? Don't go to my inbox and say, yo, ngaze ngajabula, ngaze ngaphola. Comment where comment underneath so that abantu babone ukuthi nifundile, so that nami ngibone ukuthi ngiyafunda, because umuntu ngabantu angeke phela ngisifundise, because I already know what is happening. I'm sharing the knowledge. So please guys, don't do that. Ngiyanthanda okusalayo, but hey, abaziyo bayazi. Kuba nolakanyana but ulaka lokhona lunothando. So please don't mess with these people that are gifted. Don't, guys, don't. I'm just helping you nalapho. Yo, washisa nkosi yami, yo. Right. I said they are breadwinners. Not even about money. You are the one to heal. Uzohila, uyafuna uyohila kuphela. Right? They get hated. They are the most hated people. Why are we hated so much? Why are we hated so much? Hey, yashis, ngintshelile ngithi. So, why are we hated so much, mkhulu? Emsebenzini bayangizonda, ifamily yangizonda, ama-in-laws ayangizonda. Who wouldn't hate you? Who wouldn't hate you? Because you see things that are not supposed to be seen. You hear things that are not supposed to be heard. Mina, I can hear someone, say America. I can hear someone, noma ngabe kuphi nezwe. I can hear you talking about me. Then what's going to happen now? You hear these nasty in-laws discussing you. Kukhona amanye ama-in-laws that wants to choose a wife or a husband for their child. You will hear them talking about you. Then they pretend to be hugging you. I'm not going to hug you. I'm not going to hug you. Because I heard what you were saying about me in the closed doors. And then the minute you react to those people, hayi mawungakakhuli, sisho mawusese kuma lower levels, la ngifundisa ngabantu abangakafiki la engikhona. The minute you react, because you heard them talking about you, like in your ears, not dreaming. Dreaming ngiyayibona because it can have question marks. Kuthiwa ayiphupha ulichazanga kanti belisisho into khona. Ngikhuluma ngokuthi mabekhuluma ngawe, especially kabi, you can hear. If they are planning bad things about you, you can hear. But what's going to happen? They will come and hug you. Oh, my God. Oh, my son-in-law. Oh, my daughter-in-law. You already know. You already know this one is deadly. This one is a deadly mother-in-law. This one is a deadly sister-in-law. This one is a deadly aunt-in-law. That is why you get hated. I will also hate you when you know my secrets. Yo. I will hate you. Let me check. Will I hate you? No. Because I've got wisdom. I will ask you more. I will ask you to help me. I will just say, hey, no. I've got a jealous problem. Yazini, mina nginesifo se-jealous. I would say that. Because wisdom yami ne-integrity yami won't allow me to hate you. Yes, I used to, but kule level engikuyo manje. No. I want to learn more about you. I will use you as my case study. Why will you hate people so much? Why are you so jealous about people's progress? I will use you as my case study so that I teach other people. As I teach, I will share. Because I know about myself already. I will want to know more about you if you do such things to me. Okay, but I'll forgive you because shame, you need God. La, nala. That's what I would say. But when you are still in the lower levels, you will retaliate. You will retaliate. But then if you are in the level that I'm in now, I will see you've got a problem yourself. You've got a problem. You are projecting. Now you have now developed a projectile behavior of which you can project it to me. Because why? I've got the gift to wash you. Ube muhle nawe, ungalimali ngaphakathi. Right? You will be hated. So, to all gifted people, what I wanted to tell you, the journey is long. We learn new things every day. We see new things every day. It's difficult. But if you are in a certain level, everything becomes normal, everything becomes nice. You get joy in helping someone. You get joy in bringing life. Like, I get joy when I help someone. Someone's testimony makes me very happy because I'm not a jealous person. I've told people things. I've opened the keys. It's even from a reading, just from a reading. I can heal you even if you are from afar. I can heal you on the phone. So, Paula, Zazi, check your dreams. Check who you are. Ukuthi uhamba nabobani abafuna wenzeni kuphi kanjani. The sooner you do that, uzopola, the sooner you do that, the better. I'm a healer. Ngisanus. I heal a person comprehensively. During a reading, I take my time teaching you, counseling you, because my gift comprehensively from head to toe, everywhere, inside and outside. I do not leave you hanging. I do not leave you with questions. Please, in that note, if you want to do bookings for a reading or for spiritual counseling, Umkhulu Langabi has got a spiritual school. Oh, another thing, I'm traveling. I'm going to Mansumpa Cave. Ne? I'm going to pray there for people. I've got the ability to pray for the stone. And that stone iyajiga ikhulume nawe. That stone iyajiga ikunikeze okufunayo okucelayo. Say whatever you want, but that's exactly what happens. That stone is okuphilisa from the disease that you have. I heal with anything and everything. I'm not limited to izinto zasemhlabeni. I heal. If you want a booking, make a booking. Do not inbox me. Ungithumele ama emojis akhala. No, that's not the way. I don't take emotional blackmailing nicely. No. Nyanthanda balandeli bami and my tribe that resonates with me. They will know me. They will learn. They will understand me. To religious people, I'm no longer a religious person. Ngavalelisa kubazalwane. I did say goodbye bazalwane. I'm a spiritualist, I'm a healer, I'm a sanusi, I'm a mediator, I'm a medium as well. So ngiyacela epagini lami ngiyabhala ningithuke nibonisa ukuthi you need my healing. So let me make it clear. God is my creator, but I am not umzalwane. I am not because I see sometimes you guys get confused. I'm none of those. I'm a spiritualist. I connect direct with God. I don't need Jesus to connect me to God. I connect direct with God. I don't want your debates. I don't want ama disputes. Ngiyabonga akwande kube kuhle kube mhlophe. If this video reaches you and you are suffering from the things that I told you about, it will get in here and you're going to get healed. And uzongifonela ungitshela leyo testimony. Our vote